How to draw reindeer? Draw like this: nose, eyes, ear, then antlers, we can add some decorations, body shape, neck, legs, then a small tail. Add one more reindeer. Now we can start coloring. You can use color pencil, crayons or sketch pen. Give color like this. Here also. Nose you can give different color. I am giving red color. Then this decoration also. Give color like this. Then here we can write Merry Christmas. Color it and make it beautiful. Our work is completed. I wish you Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.